Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and daily technical levels. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold prices have corrected almost 1.18%, and silver prices have corrected by 1.28%. This was due to some optimism coming from major economies on more stimulus packages, and even easing from the major central banks. And even we have noticed all global equity markets have performed well yesterday. So on the back of this, we have noticed that the safe haven demand of gold has faded out. So gold and silver corrected sharply yesterday. Today we are also expecting the same trend will continue in gold and silver. Gold, for intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 45,800 and resistance at 46,550. Silver has a strong support at 48,000 and resistance at 48,850. We are expecting again some profit booking in bullion segment. So we are recommending to sell on rise in gold and silver. Now if we talk about the base metal, yesterday we have noticed that all base metal performed well. If we talk about the copper also increased by 0.09%, closed on a positive note. And even if we talk about the other base metals, they have also traded on a positive side. This is due to reopen of the major economies and resumes of many industrial activities increase the demand of base metal. So we have noticed optimism in the base metal. So for intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 417 and resistance at 426. Zinc has a strong support at 156 and resistance at 164. We are expecting a positive trend in the base metal for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the crude oil prices. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil traded on a positive note, increased by 1.24%. This is due to the increased demand of crude oil from the industrial activity as well as the aviation sector, and the demand of the petrol and diesel increased by the major economies after the lockdown open. So we are expecting again the demand of crude oil will increase. So we are expecting that crude oil prices may trade positive for intraday perspective. For intraday, crude oil has a strong support at 2730 and resistance at 4890. So we are recommending to buy in crude oil on dips for intraday. Now if we talk about the agriculture segment, yesterday we have noticed that all major agri commodities like edible oils and spices were traded on a positive note. Soybean prices have almost increased by 0.5%, and refined soya and RM seed also traded on a positive note. And if we talk about the spice sector, all spices are traded on a positive note yesterday. So today we are expecting again the trend will remain same, and all agri commodities will trade on a positive note further. So we are recommending to buy on dips, buy in correction in agriculture segment, basically in edible oils and spice segment. Thank you.